What's up, guys? It's Haley. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and you guys can watch me again. I'm back. All right, so I was gonna tell you, if you guys want to make your slime starchy, get some hot water and dip it in there like your slime really fast. And my friend Gabby did this at school, and she told me it worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys try it for yourself. I mean, all my slimes are really pretty sticky and it's stretchy. Ay, Chihuahua, you got to kiss the guy. Right, so what slime are we making now? Yeah, turquoise slime for my friend Wesley. Whew, so we're gonna need, I'm gonna use two types of things. I might have to get some new shaving cream. Or is this just regular blue one? No, this is blue green. So he wants a turquoise one. I'm gonna go ahead and try and do it with this one. This is the neon blue, and my sister almost used. And it's the neon green. And not so I do have darker ones, because I feel like the neons would mix a lot better to create a turquoise color. Yeah, and I was right. See? It's kind of like an aqua color, and I want to make a slime this color. Go ahead and add one dark blue. Even not even a whole drop. I didn't even want it to be a drop, but I got a drop somehow. Yeah, see, the dark blue just makes it a little bit darker, but it doesn't like ruin the color completely. So this is what I wanted. All right. He's going in his crib? Yeah. Mom, I made a really pretty color I need you to come see soon. Or I'll just go up there soon. I got contacts over me. The good thing about contacts is it's clear, so if you spill it, it's okay. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get some more tissue and show my mom this color. Well, she was doing a Jackson, and she told me, no, I can't. I'll be there in a little bit, but I'm about to lose my freaking mind with Jackson. This is the neon, right? Yeah, I'm going to have to make me one of these, because this is super duper pretty. Like, times 21 pretty. You're welcome for such a beautiful color. Now, if you do that in color and it's like halfway there, the contacts will help you with the liquid. Just be careful it's not already done, because then that's when you get dyed. See, like how it's all sticking to the spoon, but it's like kind of slimy. You kind of want it to like kind of slide out right off the spoon. Like that kind of. But I feel like that was way too soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of indent it. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start using my hands. See, it's kind of sticky, kind of not sticky, kind of like life. You sometimes know what to expect, and sometimes you don't know what to expect. So I think this is my fourth video of slime. Today, I just made these all in one sitting because I'm really, really tired, so. I'm like in love with this color, like Wesley. I'm not gonna write his name on it because you know, if I don't get this color the time I try to make it, then I'm getting this one and he gets another one. Look, seriously, look at how pretty that color is. It's a really pretty color. So now I'm gonna show you guys how satisfying it is. Kind of like a luscious slime, to be honest. it's not super duper stretchy. Even if we do it slow. Oh, I guess it is. But I guess all slime is like that. But see, it kind of tears. And let's see if it's weightable. Yeah, I guess the only thing this is good for is satisfaction. But that comes at a good price, right? I don't even know if that's how you spell it. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will guys see you guys later in the next video where we will be creating another blue slash green. I think we're just gonna make it green this time for Dominic. So please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.